Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we're just going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. So I'll be starting with V75 on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what I see is the fact that price is trying to give us something like inverted head and shoulder. This is my left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, that's all I see. So the neckline should be something like this. I should be having that as the neckline. If this turns out to be inverted head and shoulder on the weekly time frame, so we'll be having something like this, like a retest, and then we possibly will have something like this. But that's if that's going to happen, that's going to take a long time. All right, so but that's for the weekly time frame. But if it's going to drop, if the price is going to drop, it's going to drop below. It's going to drop below. Okay, and then it's going to target this other block. All right, so if it targets this other block, that invalidates the inverted head and shoulder forecast. But that's that for the weekly time frame. Let's take a look at what we have on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I can see that price is already giving us something like a bullish pickup, something like a bullish development of formation. We have like an initiation of the beginning or the initiation of a bullish trend. All right, that will stand if price continues to go up. All right, and if price is going to go up, we have this other block on the daily time frame that can serve as resistance to price. I'm talking about this other block. All right, and serve as resistance to price, and then we might see something like a bit of a dip before price continues its direction up. But if that doesn't work out, price could as well break this ascending trend line to target this other block. I'm talking about this support level. All right, to target the support level, and a break of that support level will come to the next other block. I'm talking about this particular support level. All right, for price to pick up traction and possibly go up. But that's just a forecast on the daily time frame. What we have on the daily time frame currently is the fact that we have a price forming a low around here, and we have a high, higher low, higher high. But what we are also looking at around here is like the formation of a swing, or a swing high, like a top, the formation of a top. And if price breaks this ascending trend line and breaks below price breaks below 362 373 level, then we'll confirm that we have a top indeed, and price might drop to the 50% Fibonacci level, which is at 354871. Okay, but for now, price has tested the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is 364104 level. So that's that for V75 on the daily time frame. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this descending trend line, and we have this ascending trend line, more like price is ranging. So we might want to wait for a range breakout either to the top. I want to wait for a range breakout either to the top, or we might want to wait for price to drop below this ascending trend line. So either way, If price is going to break to the top, we have this order block that might serve as resistance to price. Talking about this order block, might have price coming to this order block and dropping to the descending to the ascending trend line around here. Well, if that does not play out, we might see price dropping around here and targeting the next order block, which happens to be this. Price might target this particular order block on the 4-hour time frame for price to find support. Price targets this order block. Price might find support to meet with this ascending trend line. Not to meet with this particular ascending trend line, price might find support. Now, as price finds support to meet this ascending trend line, price might also drop for the bearish trend to form properly and continue. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. What do we have for volatility 75 index? On the 1-hour time frame, we have something like this bottom, this bottom, and now we have another bottom, and now we have a shadow on the 1-hour time frame with this candlestick. But it's still ranging, it's not definite, still not definite. Price is still ranging, but price might continue to range until we have a breakout of this triangle. Okay, for the 1-hour time frame, until we have a breakout of this particular triangle. Okay, so the breakout of the triangle will define the direction, or we might have something like a grab, liquidity grab. This is like our liquidity level. A grab to the top, then a grab to the bottom, where stop losses might have been cleared for price will continue its direction up, or the liquidity grab might start with the bottom. Okay, and price might clear that of the top for price to continue downwards. All right, so anything can happen. We'll keep our fingers crossed and we'll continue to monitor price. For the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that both the buyers and the sellers are struggling to maintain the equilibrium. Okay, maintain the range. The buyers took price up and the sellers took it to this level. Okay, by the time the sellers stepped in, let's see, the buyers stepped in and the sellers stepped in and took price to this level, and the buyers took it to 61.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, and then the sellers also came in at the sellers also took it to beyond the 61.8 level, possibly the 76.4 Fibonacci level. All right. Okay, and then we can see the BA is also coming in around here. Okay, the BA stepped in somewhere at 76.4 Fibonacci level to price down. So more like the next forecast should be something like price coming to this region. Okay, price might come to this region, the 375,623 level, which is more like the 76.4% Fibonacci level. Okay, price might come to that level. All right, and then at that level, price, we could also have a retracement down to the 76.4 okay percent Fibonacci level. Okay, and then we might also possibly, it's just a forecast. Okay, might possibly have another one move to the 76.4%. All right, so just a forecast, might not happen, might happen. But that's what we've been having since the start of the range. Okay, I might have something like this. This down leg, we had a 76 beyond the 76.4 rise. Okay, now this rise, we had this a drop to the 76 beyond the 76.4. Now this drop, we have the rise, it rise to beyond 76.4. Now this rise, we also had, you know, a drop, okay, below the 76.4. Now I'm forecasting that we also have a rise beyond the 76.4, and I'm not forecasting a drop. So I'm forecasting price going to taper into a small point and then break up. That's for the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, we expect the range to continue for Volatility 75 index. On the 5 minutes time frame, we expect the range to continue, and same with the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute. 1 minute, the 5 minute and the 1 minute already shows that price has broken out of the descending trend line around here. The price is targeting somewhere around here. Okay, so what you should look for right now currently is to scalp buy, is to buy on the smaller time frames. Look at what we have, like a triple bottom, 1 2 3. So look for buying opportunities for now for V75. Look for buying opportunities as price continues to go up. You might look for buying opportunities. Okay, so that's that for V75 index. I believe the neckline has been broken around here. Neckline has been broken. So let's take a look at what we have for step index. For step index on the weekly time frame, we have the range. The range is in progress. Price is currently ranging. Price is currently ranging. Okay, it move up, a drop to this point, a move up, a drop to this point, a move up, a drop, a move up, a drop. So that's that for the weekly time frame. It's ranging. On the daily time frame, what we have on the daily time frame, we still have a range. Okay, where price starts to form a swing low around here. We have a swing high, swing low, swing high. Of course, we might be having a swing low to this point, and then possibly have a swing high to this point, and then swing low until we have a breakout to one direction. That's that for the daily time frame. Looking at today's candlestick, we can see that it's gone past yesterday's half, gone past the half of yesterday's candlestick. So I see price getting to the low point. The low point is around the low of yesterday's candle is around 8758.9. I see price dropping below that level. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? We have like a swing high, and I can see something like it's a top, it's another top, it's a double top. Can something like a double top or a triple top. Double top or triple top, either way, I see price breaking the neckline and dropping. Okay, so that's that for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, the double top is more obvious. This is the first. Just a minute. This is the first top, and this is the second top on the 1-hour time frame. So if the double top is anything to work with, our price is gonna break this neckline. Look at this candlestick. It's a long one. The bears are fully in, and it's advisable you place a sell trade. It's advisable you sell. Step index for now. Look at what we have here. Price is still dropping, and price is targeting the neckline. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, price is still dropping. Look for selling opportunities. Try to sell to the order block. This order block is almost at the order block. This particular order block on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, price is also dropping on the 5 minutes time frame. So for now, price of step index is bearish, so you might consider selling step index. On the 1 minute time frame, it's bearish. The bears are in control. So that's that for today's video on how to trade volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. You can drop comments below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. All right. You can also click the bell button below the video for notification, so that when we release another video tomorrow, you'll be notified. All right. You can go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility index. You can also visit another website as fxfables.com to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.